बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा, इंग्लिश की क्लास के साथ फिर हाजिर है। आज आपको एक और मजमून ऐसे लिखवाने जा रहा हूँ, माई फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स। माई फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्स या माई फेवरेट गेम। अगर ये आ जाए या आ जाए क्रिकेट के ऊपर, यानी मेरा पसंदीदा खेल या क्रिकेट, तो आपने ये मजमून लिखना। अगर माई फेवरेट गेम, माई फेवरेट स्पोर्ट या क्रिकेट के ऊपर आपने सिर्फ इंग्लिश के अंदर है, sports and games are very necessary for human health and life. It provides us recreations, it keeps our body healthy and fit. It teaches us many lessons like teamwork, planning, decision making, and discipline, etc. All of us should play some games. My favorite game is cricket. It is one of the most popular sports in the world. It is played between two teams. Every team has 11 players. It is played in a big ground. A captain leads his team. There are two umpires in the ground to take neutral decisions. The match starts with the toss. Toss winning captain choose to bat or ball first. Its three famous formats are Test, One Day, and T20. Test is played 5 days, consisting of two innings for each team. One day match consists on 50 overs inning per team. T20 has 20 overs per team. Pakistan won one day cricket World Cup in 1992 under Imran Khan's captaincy. Pakistan won T20 cricket World Cup in 2009 under Youniskhan's captaincy. Pakistan has also won Champions Trophy in 2017 under sarfrazahmad captain. I also like to play cricket. I want to become an international cricket player. I want to represent my country at international level. I want to win World Cup for my country.